You can see my breath. It's about 25 degrees here in Wisconsin, but I just wanted to fire this up so you can hear it run. Bike is clean, starts good, runs good, idles good. Clearly it needs to be maintained a little bit, but should be a solid running 2006 CR250f motor and other components for whoever needs them. That's about all I've got to share on this bike. Bought it from the kid that's had it and trail ridden it up in northern Wisconsin the last couple of years. So hasn't been maintained super great, but hasn't been ridden hard as well. So should be a good strong motor. I would check the valve lash before I put it in something. It is a 2006 and I don't have any idea how many hours are on it, but good solid bike, good solid parts.